Let's start an amazing journey. How to complete a haunted house or room. Think about how creepy it is. If houses has such light, cool, and projection on the wall, a monster emerge. Frightened by this, ran out of the house, a simulated hand or arm stretch out and tap you. Let's do it by ourselves. Make different groups, about 3 groups. Different groups make this parent project. After dawn, integrate these 3 groups into one project. Let's start it. The main idea is the first group is sources of light group that make flashing light makes horrible circumstance. The second group is monster project group. A monster could be projected on a wall with terror sound. The third group is making stretching arm group. When kids frightened and ran off, the arms stretch out and tap them. Let's focus on the first group, the lab group. First thing, decorate walls with different colors. For example, red, green, blue lights. These lights could be off with different interval times. For example, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 seconds. That sequence means geometric sequence in math term, or any other geometric sequence, for example 1, 3, 9, blah, blah. Whatever sequence that we ultimately choose depends on experiment. That means technology and engineering involved. Use of imagination. And what could control the light of time and interval? Think of single chip microcomputer, which could control any action by programming that 21st century technology. Look at our light-controlled engineering drawing. From this drawing, we see the single chip microcomputer is most important part of this engineering drawing. It could control the light on and off time. What knowledge and technology should be used in these sources of light system? First thing first, light off interval. Time interval control may be 1, 2, 4, 8, blah, blah, blah. That will be geometric sequence, would be controlled by the software of single chip microcomputer. This need programming technology, for example, C language programming, and also electric hardware design. That's the 21st century technology. Another issue concerns of red, blue, green light controlled by the hardware. That issues including engineering, distribution, and microcomputer hardware technology. Now start the second group, which make the monitor projection that need microcomputer as well as the first groups. The microcomputer can control the projector, heated the monitor on the wall, and make the voice of screen simultaneously. Monitor projection groups must understand holography technology. Group member could have many options because monitor display on the wall needs holography science and technology. Holography science is neuroscience which is based on optical interference and diffraction principle, but beyond these principles, they need to be treated by much complicated mathematics. They could choose by a monster holography picture as well as to do it by themselves using their science technology, especially optics knowledge, to design and complete it. That depends on budget and time. So this part of content would foster their science and technology thinking. Besides this, their critical thinking for the engineering distribution would be developed. Now the last group, simulated arm stretching out group. This group also need single-chip microcomputer. Given the signal by the microcomputer, step motor or electric motor would be rotating, and then it rotates pulley system and let the arm controlled by it, and the arm stretch out and touch the key's body. This system needs students to use their size. For example, pulley system, math, which need compute how long the arm stretch out and what time would be appropriate. Engineering knowledge, how to select the type of pulley and simulated arm which couldn't would someone. After 3 projects done, how could they integrate them into one big project? Students need to discuss with each other and determine each project's starting time and the order. They are using one microcomputer to programming and control these 3 projects. And now, the one big project is forming. Look at the engineering drawing. The microcomputer control all of them. What would students take away from this big project? Critical thinking, collaboration, girls' mindset, all this would be trained in this project. 21st century numeric capacity, including science, technology, engineering, and math, would be trained in this project. If we wanted, we could add some elements of art in it. The last issue is how to assess our students' achievement. Here are 3 assessments about the students. Look at these.